Hi folks, today we bring you another vlog for portable air condition. So before we start unboxing, so we say thanks again for like and subscribe our channel. So just keep doing it so we can bring more and more videos bring for you. And then now we start unboxing today. I'm not taking long story, I just come to the point. So my little one opened the box for this one. My little boy Mr. Fazan, he opened the box and then he showed you the little dance step as well. So with his shorts, father and son. So we just, today, the June time, June of month, hottest day. So I've got a long time ago, I just also ordered for, climate control, air condition for same month. But that's a long story. But we enjoy, we remember for this all, the sweet memories. So today the same thing happens with my wife just told. So I feel hot, so I need an air conditioner. So my two air conditioner already gone because they're not working. Even they don't have the gas anymore, we're still using it because you even don't feel any cold. Even the fan, if you turn on the fan, they give you the cold. That type of mode. So now this is for Takoma air conditioner 3-in-1, and my wife just behind the camera, she's laughing for the name, but it is nice. What? It's well-known air conditioner, and there's 3-in-1. So now we start unboxing. My little one, I just opened the knife, box opener, warehouse knife. But make sure, my little one also told you. So use this knife carefully. Now, Fazan.
Okay, guys, I think you should use this knife carefully because look at the edges. It's really sharp. Okay.
So that's why. You start from here easily, very lightly, very nice. Nice little smell. Hang on. No, just like that. Just like that, and then that's it.
Wait, Papa, I'll do it.
Easily. And now this way. No,
really long.
only one this one.
Okay.
That's a small strip.
Wait.
That's it. Done.
Is it cut?
Yes, it's cut.
Okay.
It's cut. Look. So now I just hold the knife, and then this is the packing. So now we hold the packing one by one, my little one. That's it. Put it back there. And now, oh, it's great. Yeah, hang on. Careful. But is it, the air conditioners look nice like a Fazan. Very beautiful. So guys, this is the air conditioner, and the box with it. Hang on, let's show you. This is the old manual guide. And we kept inside here. And this is the hose. Oh, we don't know. The box, one side is open.
This is what we just found.
Yeah, this is hose for the hot vent out. Yeah, so we can put it back in, for hose holders. So these bits for the hose holders, you can, these fittings, go with the hose. And then after you can attach this hose to the air conditioner because the hot vent out and the cold air coming. If this one is installed for this hose, you can't get for the cold air. So now this is, we can put it here. And then after carefully, you need to hang on first. Hang on. You can just hang on. Come. This is back. I try to find out the way we can chuck, lift up. Hang on.
Well, you can't lift it up. You need to grip the box.
So now this is pretty heavy. So, hang on.
Baba, the color. Watch from the edges. And there's some more stuff in here. Just leave it.
So this is all done. So the old box empty, make sure nothing behind. So now we just put in the packing bag. Hang on, bud. Hang on, bud. That's right. इसको बेटा ये काट लेना अब ये हमने इसके साथ ऐसे शो कराना है so these are the fittings holes and fittings so this one you can get with the Takoma air conditioner and this is remote control they put the holder here and this is small mini remote and you can play on and off and then speed up and down. So this is also like a look like to be the climate control. So
What's in here?
the three-in-one because they don't open it yet. So this one, when you turn it on, the flap's gonna be lift up automatically. You can't touch for this one, so you can't open for this one. So this is not be open like that. But when this is turning on, the flips automatically up. Open it, and then you can set. So now, so this is all the unboxing today, and then also when we use this one, and then we can give the reviews. So I hope you enjoy for today for the little unboxing for air condition. So we give you the next video for review for how this one is good or bad, or we like this one, so we recommend to use one. So this is my son also told you something about, or say something, Hazan?
We can say it's best or it's good, and then we can share out to you guys.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah,
That's it. All right, guys. Yes.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Okay.
Yes. So my message is the same: like and subscribe our channel. So and then also click on the bell icon button so you can get to the latest video. So
notifications.
And notifications. So now just again thank you very much. And then hope you enjoy. Then thank you very much and keep safe in these days and stay home. And we say goodbye. Thank you very much.